ready for Logan's 4th birthday party on Sunday. For a little arts and crafts. Stand it good. Stand it good, bud.
You did. Oh.
Do it one more time, though.
I don't want to.
Okay, you're done. Dylan, you want to go?
Yeah. I just want to be on the flip, okay?
Let your brother go. Reclip the thing on the other side.
This?
Yeah.
Dad, move this one too.
No, that one's fine. You gotta get that corner. There you go. Alright, give me a thumbs up.